Hey guys, welcome back. So I have decided to work on our entertainment center. I just kind of want to brighten it up. My dad built this for us when we had first gotten married, and then our walls were pretty light, so it went well with everything in there. But now the lighting in here is pretty bad. If you've watched my previous videos, you can kind of tell. I always say that this paint color is close to the color of like a Wendy's Frosty. That's really like the true color of it. So since our walls are a little bit darker now, this I feel like needs to be lightened up just a tad. So I'm going to use, I've never used this before, but it is a, oh, the lights, finishing wax, and it's just a top coat and it's white. So I'm gonna try that. This is called, this brand is Jolie. If it'll focus, I don't know. But like I said, I've never used this before. And then I just bought like a wax brush to use, and then I have a like an old towel. So I'm gonna try a smaller strip back here in the back where nobody can really see, just in case it doesn't work out, because we still use this and I don't want to ruin it. So I'm gonna get started on that and just see if that works first, and then if it does, then I'll move on. Okay, so here I'm going to do the front and the sides, if that makes sense. I think I want to leave the top, the middle, and the bottom, like where everything sits on it, leave it stained like it is, but I'm not quite sure yet, so I'll just have to play it by ear. Okay, so right here I went ahead and I took the wax and I did a strip of it just to see if I was actually going to like it, and I started out with just a very small section on the side that I wouldn't really see. And when I started doing it really light, I didn't like the way that it was looking. It had kind of like a bluish grayish tint to it, so I started doing it heavier. And you can see right here I'm showing where it looks like it's dirty and dusty, but it's not. And I think that's just because when we stained it, we didn't coat it with anything, with any protectant or anything. And so all the dust, I mean, it's not old, but we've had it for several years, so just the wear and tear of it, it just makes it look like that. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and put this on there.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay, or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
Okay, so I forgot to mention earlier when I was talking about the wax that I got it from Amazon. And I will say, I didn't realize it when I ordered it, but it is very, very small. It's pretty tiny. So when I ordered that, I also ordered a chalk paint in like a moss green color. And that one was small as well. So I will link those down in the description box. But just know that they are very, very small. Okay, so I ended up taking a break here and I kind of got stuck. I wasn't sure whether to leave the top, the middle, and the bottom like it is, like stained that color, or if I should do the rest of it like I did with the wax. But as you can see, I went ahead and I decided to just do the top like I had with the rest of it. And now I'm kind of torn. I feel like I've gone backwards instead of forwards. And I'm not sure that I like it as well with all of it that wax color instead of having the top stained. But if you guys don't mind, just let me know in the comments what you think. Should I take the wax off of the top or leave it on there like it is? Okay guys, so it's finished and I really like it. I love how it turned out. I was not expecting it to turn out this good. I think I really like it with the top done with the wax, but you guys let me know again, like I said, if it looked better before, but I really like it and I'm really happy with the way that it turned out. I did run out of wax, so I want to order another can of that and do another coat because I do want it a little bit more white, but I really do like it a lot. So here's some up close shots of it, and yeah, I think it turned out really good. Okay guys, that's all for today, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please be sure to do that as well.